Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active DDoS SIM, cellular service on, and access to APN fields. On Android or iPhone, open settings, then mobile data or cellular. Tap access point names and choose Add or New APN. Enter the APN name and the APN value exactly as provided by DDoS. Do this now. Don't skip accuracy because small typos block data. Once the basic fields are filled, save the new APN profile and select it so the device will try to use it immediately. Now complete the detailed fields that make data and MMS work. For APN type, enter default, SUPL, MMS if you want both internet and MMS, commas separate types. Paste the MMSC URL and set MMS proxy and port exactly. If DDoS specifies APN protocol, use IP4 or IP4/IP6. Authentication may be left blank. Only set PAP or CHAP if DDoS requires it. Save changes, then toggle airplane mode off and on to force a reconnect. This ensures DNS, routing. To finish, save and select the DDoS APN profile, then restart the phone so the carrier settings fully apply. Test by loading a web page and sending an MMS. Verify mobile data icon appears and MMS sends. If nothing works, troubleshoot. Reopen APN and retype values. Typos are common. Try toggling the SIM or airplane mode, then reboot again. As a last step, reset network settings to clear conflicting profiles, then re-enter the DDoS APN. That usually resolves persistent connection errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.